Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the InnoGear heavy duty microphone stand, and I just bought it recently. I've opened the Amazon box, but I haven't opened the inner box that it came in yet. I got it a few days ago, but I decided that when I opened it I would make a video about it and do a quick review. And the reason I decided to get one, I do a podcast. I run the Recovering Faith podcast, and I always sit here and record in front of my computer, and I can never get the microphone quite in the right way because it's got this long boom arm and it's always in the way, and it hits the wall, and I never can get it exactly where I want it. And so I decided that I needed a portable boom arm that would mount to my desk. And the InnoGear was reasonably priced. It was, I think, $18. And I figured if it didn't work out the way I planned, that it wasn't a big loss because it wasn't that expensive. So that, I'm going to open it up. Of course, we got the big Amazon box. And it comes in this little, just a plain box that's just got the description of what it is right there. And also, this is the very first unboxing video I've ever done. I usually just do a review after I've unboxed everything. But what we got in here, got an XLR cable, a pop filter, which I probably won't use because I've got this nice one on my Rode microphone. Got registration cards and instructions. Then got a foam. We got the stand itself, some thread tape, a mic head or a mount, and the C-clamp to put it on the desk. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up here. Okay. And move this microphone out of my way. You got this adapter here to make it fit the other microphone. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this one off. Okay, so this is a little bit loose, and so I can see why. I can see why they gave you the tape here. Okay, now let's see if it holds the weight, because this is a fairly heavy microphone. This section right here is a little bit looser than I would like. I would like it to be a little bit tighter so that the mic doesn't move there, but it's, even when I make it tight, it's still, microphone seems to move a lot. Starts slowly creeping down, so I'm going to see if I can get that fixed, and if I can, I'll make it work. Let's try something else here. if I have the weight, get it straight up, and the pivoting part is the microphone mount, I think that'll work better. Oh yeah, that's better. I can push it back out of the way when I'm not using it, so that's really good. While I don't know if this is going to be my forever podcasting microphone boom arm, it'll fill my purposes. It holds the weight, and there's also another, I can move the spring to this next hole if I decide I need it to have a little more strength. But it seems to hold it well, and for $18 it does what I need it to do, and so I think I'll be happy with it. And so yeah, I'm not, as with anything that I review, I'm not getting paid by the manufacturer. I just try to review things so that I can help other people who are thinking about buying it to decide. And so say I'm not sure what this Rode microphone weighs, but it's fairly heavy. It's a pretty expensive microphone. And then also too, one last thing is, if you run your cables, make sure that you don't put them in between any of these posts, because then you'll pinch it. So you want to make sure you run your cable where it won't get pinched, and then if you zip tie it to it so it doesn't get caught, that's great. But it doesn't come with zip ties. You'll have to supply those on your own. So but anyway, that's about all I have to say about this boom. It's simple, easy to use. It took me just a couple minutes to get it set up, and it was relatively inexpensive. So thanks for watching this review. I will try to do some reviews of some other equipment that I have in the near future. And if this video was helpful, or if you liked it, please click like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.